So what's this channel about? Well, I'm still trying to figure that out myself. But in a nutshell, it's about my life as an entrepreneur and a content creator here on YouTube. So you'll see how we've started several businesses, mainly dealing with recycling and waste. So we started a landfill a long time ago. Several businesses have spawned just from trash. So you'll see that, you'll see heavy equipment, mining, how to build an underground bunker. Hell, right now I'm on vacation doing a video about the spot my family's vacationing at. So no telling what you may see on here. So there's several different playlists down below. So check them out, see if you find anything useful, and we appreciate you visiting our channel.